Hey guys, Parminder here from Smart Tech Reviews. I hope you guys are doing well and welcome to another video. Today in this video we're going to review a product which I have ordered from a couple of days ago, it's basically a 4K video camera. I ordered it from oneday.co.nz and they had delivered it in a couple of days only, and I have been tracking it, and today I've received it. So let's go into it and let's see what's in the box. So this video will be just a hands-on unboxing, and then the second video will be about the 4K camera, how's the camera and what's in there, what are the features in there, and then we will see how it's recording, whether it's actually a 4K camera or not, because it's a cheap 4K camera as compared to a GoPro, but it's a lookalike of GoPro. So let's see what's in there. So as you can see, here we go. It says 4K Sports Ultra HD TV, and it says water resistant up to 30 meters, which is very good. 16 megapixels camera, 4K 30 FPS. It supports 64 gig SD card, and the viewing angle is 170 degrees. It has a Wi-Fi as well inbuilt. That means you can connect it with an iOS or Android smartphone. Okay, what's on the side? It's nothing much over here. What are the accessories in there? And there's a QR code over here which you can download it for the iOS or Android app download. And here we go. We got some specifications over here, like for example image sensor, which is 16 megapixel sensor. It's a black color, but it do comes in different colors as well, like black, white, silver, yellow, blue, pink, and gold. Wow, that's a lot of different variety of options as well. Image resolution, so the maximum it goes is the 16 megapixel, then 12 megapixel as well, and then 10 megapixel, 8, 5, and 2 megapixels. So you have different options to choose from while shooting a video. Video resolution, it accepts as the maximum it can go is 4K 30 FPS, and then you can 2.7K 30 FPS, 1080p 60 FPS, 30 FPS, and then 720p 120 FPS. Okay, so the default resolution will be 1080p for the video, and for the picture it is 4K. And the image video file format it supports are MOV and JPEG. It says Wi-Fi OS that can connect with the smartphone as well. The lens has a 170 degree wide angle lens, and the memory mentioned over here. The connections over here are USB 2.0 and HD out. The battery life is, if you use it for the 1080p, the battery life will be around 90 minutes. The battery is detachable. It comes with a 900 milliamp hour battery, which should be rechargeable, I'm pretty sure. The weight without battery is 44 grams, and with batteries is 58 grams. Waterproof. So the accessories which we get in there is waterproof case, waterproof case bracket, and so on and on and on. So let's dive into it, and here we go. It says 2-inch LCD screen as well. So let's see what's in there. Just gonna get it out. Okay, just gonna put the box on the side. So here it is, guys. Everything is in there. There's the camera itself, and I have to say it looks kind of a GoPro, but it's not. So this one over here comes with a waterproof case, which you can go underwater as well. Just gonna see that later on. Okay, some accessories over here. Another cover. A charging cable, just a standard USB cable to micro B. Okay, and it comes with a remote. Okay, so this remote over here, the red button is for taking a picture, and this one over here is for recording a video, which we will see in the next video how it works. Couple of accessories over here. I would say a lot of accessories. Okay, that's pretty good. What else here? You got some padded stickers and a nice cloth to wipe and clean the screen strap. A couple of more ties up and a user manual. So the user manual is just basically simple. It's a full HD. There's a 2-inch screen. It says 12 megapixel now. It's Wi-Fi, so there's no 16. Here you go. Just a basic. Shows you what are the accessories are and what you can do with the accessories, how to connect them, like these ones over here. The top ones are for your bicycle if you're using a bicycle. The second accessories over here are, it goes on top of your bicycle or a motorbike helmet, and the third one goes onto the side, or it can be mounted on the windscreen of the car as well. So I'm not going to go into the user manual. Nothing much, everything is in English, so that's very good. And a couple of pictures over here. It says you know, what are these things over here. You got mic, micro SD, USB, HDMI, lens, power indicator, power mode. You got up and down speaker as well, battery cover. So that's pretty good. So let's see what's in there and how to open it, because I haven't opened it. I'm using it for the first time. So let's say it says you have to press here. Oh, here we go. So it's a waterproof. Here we go. And the camera is itself in there. So look at that. I would say it's a good quality. Yeah, it's quite good quality over here as well. And I'm pretty sure it should be waterproof. But it's nicely well made, quite solid as well. And look at that. It's very, very tiny. I would say it's smaller than a GoPro as well. Okay, so here you go, guys. That's the front side. You got a lens over here. It says Wi-Fi, 4K Ultra HD, and this is the power button or a mode button as well. So on the right side, you will have your up and down or Wi-Fi. So I think you have to press and hold this button for the Wi-Fi. That's the screen, 2-inch screen. On top you have a button called OK and a light over there, LED. That's the battery compartment or whatever it is. And on the other side you have a micro SD card slot, a micro SD card, a mini DVI or a mini HDMI, and charging cable over there as well. So I'm just going to turn it on and see how it works. So let's say, I'm pretty sure it should have battery in there, but let's see, we'll soon find out. Okay, so there's no battery in there. I think I have to recharge it. And so what we'll do, guys, and I'm going to charge it and play it with for a couple of days, and then I'll come back with the video of what features are in there. I'm gonna turn it on, play with it as well, and we're gonna say what kind of features in there and how it is compared to a GoPro and what sort of image quality it has, whether it's good enough or it's decent. And because it's cheap, I actually bought it for 39 New Zealand dollars, so including shipping. So it's pretty cheap as compared to GoPro, and we will just see how the quality of this 4K Ultra HD camera or video recorder is, and then we'll compare it with GoPro as well. So thank you very much, guys, for looking at this video, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.